forced that weight on.
Who did?
Forced.
Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can get this again. You ready?
Ready.
Can you see this? Look at all this ice. I'm gonna ruin this camera. Oh my God, there's ice everywhere. Did you see all that ice?
Dad, what do you want me to do about it?
Freezing like an ice cube.
Dad,
What?
I in the ice too. You put ice on me and my knees and make so wet. And you told me the ice tube.
Where'd that ice come from?
My knees.
Where'd it come from? From the storm?
But the storm.
From the bad storm?
Yeah. And froze. Got too.
And my boats are covered up.
Froze got up.